Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the integration of PowerProtect Data Manager with Microsoft Hyper-V and Azure Local, with a focus on file-level restore capabilities. The seamless backup and restore experience offered by PowerProtect Data Manager has been extended to Hyper-V VM workloads, complemented by an array of features. The Data Manager Hyper-V agent can be seamlessly installed and managed directly from the Data Manager UI, ensuring efficient deployment on your Hyper-V server. Incremental Forever backups leverage Microsoft's resilient change tracking, or RCT, and data domain deduplication to minimize data growth, resulting in faster backups and restores. Data Manager automatically discovers VMs in Hyper-V clusters, with the option to schedule these discoveries at predefined intervals. Data Manager provides application-consistent guest-level backups and the ability to scale operations by dynamically assigning Hyper-V VMs to protection policies. Additionally, image-level restores can be performed to any Hyper-V server or cluster added to Data Manager. For granular recovery, Data Manager provides file-level restore for Hyper-V Windows VMs, enhanced by indexing and search capabilities across backups of VMs in Hyper-V clusters or Azure local environments. Let's walk through how it works. Data Manager utilizes the Windows WinRM service to seamlessly manage agent installation and inventory of the Hyper-V cluster. Data Manager leverages Incremental Forever strategy, where the incremental or virtual synthetic full backups would backup only the changed bits using RCT after the initial full backup. Backup data is then transferred from the Hyper-V server to data domain using DD Boost, where the data is deduplicated and compressed, further reducing the storage utilization. From the backup copy in PowerProtect Data Domain, you can restore to a completely new VM in Windows failover cluster, or overwrite your original VM in case of disaster. For file-level restore operations, the FLR agent is automatically deployed to the target VM. It mounts the backup image directly from data domain and facilitates recovery of selected files into the guest file system without requiring full VM restoration. To enhance discoverability, Data Manager supports file indexing for Hyper-V VM backups. Indexing can be enabled in the protection policy workflow and requires a search node to be deployed. Indexing jobs are automatically triggered during backup operations, creating a searchable catalog of files and directories. This enables efficient lookup across multiple recovery points. The FLR workflow provides a centralized browsing interface within the Data Manager UI, allowing users to search indexed backups at the file or folder level. Selected items can then be restored either to the original virtual machine or to an alternate VM within any Hyper-V cluster or Azure local environment. Check the linked guide for supported Windows VMs. Note that all files selected for a Hyper-V FLR restore must be from the same backup copy. In the Data Manager UI, go to Restore and then Assets and select the required Hyper-V VM. Then open View Copies, choose the appropriate recovery point, and select File Level Restore. Define the restore destination, either the original VM or an alternate VM. Provide the necessary credentials for the target VM, and optionally configure advanced settings such as retaining the FLR agent after the operation or running it with elevated privileges. Once configured, initiate the process by selecting Start Mount, which mounts the backup image to the target VM. After the mount operation completes, proceed to browse the mounted file system through the interface and select the files or directories you want to recover. Specify whether to overwrite existing files or restore the data to an alternate location, and then start the restore operation. When the restore completes, the mount session can be manually unmounted from the Data Manager UI under Restore and Running Sessions, or it will automatically unmount after the default timeout period of 45 minutes. Thank you for watching. To learn more, explore the additional resources linked below.